Hi guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my eyeshadow project pan update for the month of May. Once again, not a lot of progress. I didn't wear eyeshadow as much this month because I was sick for the last 2 weeks, but we're going to go ahead and do it anyway. Starting with the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette in the shades Cayenne and In Fuego. Cayenne I used a total of 5 times, which means I have 22 uses left. Not a whole lot of dip in it, but and I anticipate it being another 2 months before I roll this out. And shade In Fuego I used 4 times, which means I have 24 uses left before I can roll it out. So again, another 2 months, possibly 3 on that one. And then we've got the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, which I'm anticipating that I could hit pan on before the 50 uses or right around that mark. So I'm going to go ahead and try to... So I'm going to get to the 50 uses and see how close I think pan is and then decide. But I only use this a total of 5 times this month, which means I have 19 uses left. Which means if I don't hit pan on it before the 50 uses and decide that I only want to use it 50 times, I've got 19 uses left, so about another 2 months or so. We've got the Marc Jacobs Cherrific palette in the shade It's Delicious. This is another one I could potentially hit pan on, but realistically I don't think that's going to happen. I thought I could possibly roll it out this month, but then with as little usage as I have on it, it's definitely not going to happen. But I used it a total of 6 times, which means I have 14 uses left on it, which means I could potentially roll it out in the next update if I really decided to wear this. And part of me is like, I could actively try to do that, but I think I'm just going to wear it as I want to, as it fits with the look I'm going for that day. But if I happen to get there, I will be super happy. And then this next eyeshadow is what I'm calling my problem eyeshadow this month, and this project, which I actually use this more than I use any of my other shadows. I found some good ways to use it this month, and I actually even used it as a blush this month. But it's from the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette in the shade Dreamy. I used this a total of 8 times. Yes, I did use it as a blush and I really did like it. However, if you're going to do that, go in with a really light hand. Anyway, I only have 29 uses left on it, so I do anticipate it taking me another 3 uses. Anyway, I know this was a very short video. I didn't really have much to say. I didn't really have, much wear out of these, so that's just where we're at this month. Hopefully next month will be a little bit more exciting. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And I am currently pregnant, so I've got a lot of that content coming. If that is what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.